Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the Raised Fishbone Stitch. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click on the bell for an email notification, leave me comments, check out the description section. I'm going to demonstrate this in a variety of different threads. I hope you'll join me. Let's get stitching. The Raised Fishbone Stitch, I've got two examples here of two that I did. I wanted to show you how you can really do this in any shape. The thing that I find helpful is to draw with a chalk pencil some parameters. So, do I want it long and skinny? Do I want it fat? Do I want it small, large? What do I want? So I'm going to do another one right here, emanating out from this corner, and I'm just kind of drawing a shape, a leaf-like shape. And then I'm going to draw the vein, that's the middle. And I'm going to do it in the same thread that I've been using, which is the number 5 weight EZM 105. And I start from the very top. I come down a little ways, and I'm going to come to the next place where I want this, and it's going to go sort of down like this and then curve around. And now I'm going to take a little cross stitch, and you'll see why in a second. And it's going to come up, so here, and then I'm going to do my next part of the feather or the leaf or whatever coming down, and it's going to cross, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to go down. You can make these much more densely packed, or you can leave some air in between, as I did here. It gets dense up here, and then I allow it to get a little less dense and then more dense below, and that's fine. I mean, that looks fine to me. I like it. Going to keep doing that, doing a horizontal line across, coming up to this side of my chalk pencil, which is sort of here, going across to the other side, the chalk line, coming back to my center, doing another horizontal cross, and this can be done in any number of threads. Any thread, this will work. So when your thread runs out, and inevitably it will, you can, well, I could end it here. I like to end it on the outside, so I'm going to end it right here, make my knot in the back, and when I come back up, I'm going to come back up with a new thread over here. So I have my new length of thread, and I'm going to come up right here. What's cool about this stitch is you can literally draw any shape you want and then just follow it, and you'll have that exact shape replicated in thread. You want to make sure you don't pull the back so tightly that these stitches then change the shape of the wool. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your cross stitch for the middle, and also when you're going from one side to the next, don't pull that thread so tightly that it bunches it. You want it to maintain the shape. So there is my raised fishbone. So here are my 3 leaves. Each one very different in shape. You can imagine how you could use this in any number of different applications. I'm going to go ahead and show this stitch to you in a number 8 weight and doing it very small, so just a little leaf. And then I'm going to show it to you in a couple of threads that are completely different. So I'm going to do a little leaf right here using this number 8 weight EZM 60 on a 24 chenille needle. I've drawn a very light chalk guide for myself. I start at the very top, horizontal across. This one I'm making a little more, keeping the stitches a little farther apart. It just gives it a different look, a little sparser. I can make it denser if I want by bringing them closer together, or I can just keep them spaced apart. Following my center vein as it sort of meanders down this leaf. I can go right over onto this vase. The leaf is kind of hanging over, that's fine. And there it is. So now if I want to do another one, I could do another one over here and maybe one more small one here. I'm going to show you a couple of different thread types and demonstrate it in those so that you can see what that looks like as well. A little funny leaf here, and I'm using my seagrass, which is green leaves is the color. Start at the very top. I come down on my center seam and I go out towards the outer right edge. I come across, do my little horizontal stitch down that center seam. Come out to the other side and go across to the opposite side. Little horizontal down the center seam. It's okay that I'm not following my chalk lines exactly. I can't really see them, so I know this puffed out more, but it's fine. Oh, there's my little leaf in a seagrass. The shepherd's silk, I need to go up into my number 18 needle chenille. So I'm starting at the top here. I'm going to go right down to my center, up to the other side, do my little horizontal stitch across. It's kind of easy when you have a shape that you're just following the applique shape of. You don't have to draw any lines because it's all there for you. Shepherd's silk. I'm just going to do a little one in my Aurora. Number 5 weight, the shepherd's silk, the seagrass, Aurora, and the number 8 weight. I hope you found this useful and helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Click on the bell for email notifications and leave me any comments or questions you might have in the comments section. And don't forget to check out the description section. That's where I leave links to all the different threads and things that I've used in this video. Until next time, here's to stitching together.